Good morning, friends. We are going to do many exciting things today. We're gonna go do an ATV, visit Tirta Empul, go see a waterfall, and rice terrace. Hi, baby. You enjoying your breakfast and coffee? This ATV tour was a fun ride going through rice terrace, jungles, and tunnels. We got a two-person bike. Is it actually right to call it a bike? I don't know, but it was really fun. Beautiful muddy lake.
What do you think?
Was it fun?
To me, yes. To you?
I enjoyed it to be a passenger because so I can see the view and I enjoy it, not worry about like if I'm blocking everybody. It's really fun.
Yeah.
It's taking us here. This is a famous Hindu Balinese water temple known for its holy spring water. Locals go there for a purification ritual called Malakat. Many tourists do the ritual as well. I don't know the detailed ritual process, but here's what I learned from our driver. You need to wear a ceremonial sarong and make an offering before starting the purification ritual. You start the ritual by entering the left pool and starting with the first water spout. Once you bathe your whole head underneath the first water spout, you move to the next queue for the next one, and continue until you cleanse yourself under each one of them. But there are two of water spouts, the 11th and the 12th, are meant only for cleansing the dead, so you shouldn't be using this. Each water spout represents different things such as healing, sickness, protections, family, and so on. It's really cool just to witness this ritual, see all the complex temple building and statues, and know a little bit of the culture and religion. Very cool. There are many shops after we exited the temple, and I saw this super cute kitten napping here in the basket. So cute! We needed to walk down to the waterfall. The stairs are all paved, so it wasn't too bad, but I felt Like, not much to do here though, or just us not exploring enough. We didn't spend too much time here. We didn't get to see the green rice fields here because of the season, but I did not know there was so much entertainment to do here. I was imagining it to be like a walking tour where you just have a nice walk between rice fields. You can walk around here, but there's just so many other things. There are swings, zip lines, air bike, and tons of different photo spots. You have to pay to take photos on those designed spots though. I did the zip line and the air bike for fun, and they were not too bad.
Extremely fast. Bike, 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 bike. Pedal, 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 pedal.
Terrace, we call it Temango in Bali. So the 24 hours, no eating, no talking.
For dinner, we had pork ribs. It's just a little bit too spicy for me, but I liked it. Most of their flavors are pretty spicy.
Cracker lovers, not
Alrighty, see you next time. That's it for today.